everybody's doing? Apa kabar semuanya? Apa kabar dunia? Tetap cantik, tetap ganteng, tetap sehat ya. Semoga semuanya baik-baik aja, sehat-sehat aja, diberi berkah yang luar biasa dalam menjalankan ibadah puasa ini. Kalau yang nggak puasa ya tetap sehat juga gitu ya kan. Seperti yang kalian tahu, kita ada di dapur hari ini, jadi saya mau masak-masak lagi. Bukan masak sih, baking. Hari ini mau baking dari sisa egg white kemarin. So ada teman saya yang request videonya pakai bahasa Inggris, jadi ada cuplikan bahasa Inggris sedikit. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video I will mix some with Indonesian and some with English, as few of my friends requested in English when I'm baking something. So today I'm gonna bake egg roll. No, not egg roll, sorry. Cake roll with only white eggs, flour, etc, etc, etc. So let's get cooking. So in this video, well, I explained it already. Leftover egg white from yesterday, not yeah. And this one 3 eggs. This one 50 or no 60 gram of flour. Supposed to be castor sugar, like normal sugar, but I don't have at the moment, so my husband is still away for buying some groceries again. This is powdered sugar. It is 50 grams. And oil, this is oil, any kind of vegetable oil for how many? This one 40 gram. And then milk 50 cc, 50 milliliter. And then vanilla. Where is my vanilla? This one. I have vanilla here, vanilla, and I supposed to use cake flour, but I don't have cake flour at the moment, so I will add this one. This is like baking powder. Kita dicampur sedikit sama gulanya, sama vanilla. So half of the sugar, no, not half, a little bit of the sugar plus vanilla. We will mix vanilla. We will mix it like so. This one first. Until like this. Okay. Let's mix this one. buat sendiri ya. Ini kayak segi 4 for kayak gini. Oh, freak, apinya belum dipanasin, Cin. Ternyata saya belum manasin oven, Cin. Jadi nunggu ovennya sedikit panas dulu, terus dikecilin, terus nanti 160 derajat selama 13 menit. Tara. Jadi, Cin, kita ini coklat ya, coklat sama apa nih namanya, susu kental manis, chocolate black, like black chocolate, no, dark chocolate with some condensed milk. I put it together, jadi campur sama si custard. Ini custard yang kemarin. Mix together. Hopefully it will mix well. Let's see. Yep. Very good. Some whipped cream, like leftover whipped cream. So we will mix this one together. ready guys, everything to put inside. Jadi ini yang di dalam isinya ya, di dalam isi bolunya, bolu gulung. Kita tunggu sampai bolunya set, maksudnya dingin. Terus isi ini deh. Jadi ini masukin. I'm not sure. Whoa. Gagal. Bolunya gagal, Cin. I think you should let it. Like this, let it cool for few minutes maybe. Put it in the fridge. Masukin kulkas ya. Taruh dulu di kulkas. Tara. Oke, berhubung gagal, jadi saya punya triknya. Kuenya itu kan ya tadi gagal, terus masukin lagi di kulkas, terus masukin di freezer sebentar. Terus saya buat coklat ini, coklat sama susu dicairin sedikit aja. Because the cake is filled, so I want to cover it up with chocolate ganache. Hopefully it will be okay. This is it. Wait. This is it. Let us review. So this is the cake. It's actually broken in the side. Jadi ini broke ya, Chin. So we put it here. And make our sauce ganache. Cover it with it. Cover with it. go guys. This is it. This is our failed egg white cake, but should taste good. Ya, kue gagal tapi pasti enak. Ini dimasukin ke kulkas dulu, put it in the fridge for like until it's set perhaps. Baiklah, kita lihat bagaimana nanti kalau sudah dipotong ya. Duh, lama banget prosesnya, saya enak sendiri nih. See you.